The Soapbox Derby here in Akron, Ohio has been rolling down the hill for more than 70 years. Looks like I'm gonna have to strap in and go down the hill myself.
Whee! Okay, I'm not really in this car, but the experience in traveling down this hill at 35 miles an hour with the wind blowing in your hair has been a local tradition for the last 73 years.
Thousands of young Americans set to work building their entries for the All-American Soapbox Derby. The place? Akron, Ohio.
Soapbox cars in the past were very primitive. Today, many have been built to provide faster speeds and better handling and a sleek look. Hundreds of people came from all over the nation to enjoy the day's festivities. Though spectators were looking to have a good time, one person was making it his mission to revitalize the sport. Actor Corbin Burnson has been inspired by this local tradition and is making headlines as he produces a movie inspired by Akron's Derby.
You see with Blindside that people want this kind of entertainment. People want this kind of uplifting message. People want to go back to their roots. They want tradition and they want history.
So as this year's Soapbox Derby comes to a close, you can be sure its tradition will live on. Here in Akron, Ohio, I'm Derry Wright, D-Wright News.